Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 1% in the last session after rising as much as 2.4% during the session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the oil gain 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks were mixed and benchmark Treasury yields jumped as robust economic data helped stave off recession fears, but also raised the likelihood that the Fed will keep its restrictive policy in place for longer than expected. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest cryptocurrencies, have rocketed higher this year. Bitcoin price has climbed over $30,000 this month, its highest level since last summer, even as US regulators and lawmakers have been accused of creating a secret alliance to destroy crypto. The US dollar index climbed to a two-week high after economic data showed the labor market remained on a solid footing, giving the Federal Reserve a possible cushion to continue raising interest rates.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's current account will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's annualised housing starts at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 0755 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 1230 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.